Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to refund WestJet plane tickets in 2024. Whether, of course, your plans have changed or you just don't need to travel anymore or you need to cancel your flights. Understanding how to get a refund from WestJet is essential. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to request a refund for WestJet plane tickets in 2024. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, before requesting a refund, it's important to understand WestJet's refund policy if you don't know it yet. Of course, WestJet offers different options for refund eligibility based on the ticket type, fare rule, and the reason for cancellation. Fully refundable fares can be funded to the original form of payment, while non-refundable fares may be eligible for WestJet travel credit. You can visit the WestJet website or check your booking confirmation for specific details. So I'll just go and open up here browser. I'm using Brave. You can use whatever you want. Go to this URL section basically so you can check the refund policy. I'll just go here and type WestJet refund policy. Simple as that. So policy and hit the enter button. Go to this first link, open it in a new tab, and I'll just go type WestJet again and go to their home screen or main screen. So first of all, if you're already sure about the refund policy and you know about it, you don't need basically to see all of this. All you need to do, go here, sign in first of all into your account if you have an account. So you are sure your ticket is refundable, you can refund your ticket. So basically you don't need most of this video. All you need to do is just how to cancel it. So go sign in into your account, as simple as that. Go then to your trips. Of course, once you sign into your account, click on your profile, you'll find your trips or reservations. Click on it and you'll find the reservation or the trip that you paid for there. Click on it and you'll find the cancel option. Click on that cancel option, then you can simply request a refund once your flight is canceled. You cannot do it before the flight is canceled. Keep that in mind. But you'll say, what if I pay for, what if I just booked my flight as a guest without having an account? So in your case, you have two options. Either you go to your email, so example for me, Gmail here, the email that you use, of course, for booking the flights, go to the email that they send you tickets on. On the same email, you find the cancel option. Click on that option and go through the cancellation process, and then you can request again your refund. Other than that, you have another option, which is simply go into their home screen website, click on Manage Trips, Manage Flights. Once you are here, of course, you can do that also on the app if you have the app on your phone. Here you can simply find your trip, enter the reservation code, and enter your last name. If you lost somehow your reservation code, click in here as an example, and they will tell you an example to they'll tell you to enter your first name, last name, email. Click on email itinerary. And to have, of course, your itinerary email to you, you need to have booked an example on WestJet through the service of sales center. Provide the same names that you use to make the booking, provide etc. A lot of information here, so make sure to read this all. So enter your information as we said. You will find your trip. Once you find it, you'll find the cancel option. And once it's canceled, you can request a refund. As simple as that. That, as I said, if you're already sure that your flight is refundable, keep that in mind. If you're very sure of the policy, maybe you've canceled, maybe I don't know, maybe you know your plane tickets is already refundable. If you don't know, we'll have to go through this policy, change/cancel policy. So flexibility matters for your peace of mind. We have a variety of fare options, some with flexibility included, so you can select the fare that is best suits for you. Information on how to change and cancel are also available to assist you in selection which fare meets your needs. So flexible change and cancel policies for travel is fixed by travel advisory. So sometimes the travel advisory and the destination will interrupt your travel plans, guest impacting event like extreme weather, airports closure, and disease outbreak and related to COVID. Of course, that's about COVID. So can happen while the travel advisory is in effect, and we apply, of course, our flexible change/cancel guidelines until it is lifted and normal operations resume. So if there is a current travel advisory for your destination on your trip's dates, you have options. WestJet will waive the application change or cancellation fee, and you have the option to change your travel dates to and or from the same destination. If there's difference in fares, you won't be charged. Black out dates may apply, and change your destination with or without changing your travel dates. If you're going to a close airport like Vancouver instead of what is this? Abbotsford, you won't be charged for any fare difference. If you choose to go to an airport that isn't geographically close, you'll pay the fare difference. If the new fare is less, the refund guidelines for fare type applies. And to cancel your trip, of course, you will get refunded according to the guidelines for the original fare bundle. So you can see the standard changes fee and standard cancellation fee. As an example, click on cancellation fees. Might be important. So, example, the fee amounts show the minimum to maximum tax. So it's going to be zero until 18% payable, which may be applicable in some circumstances unless otherwise noted. Fees are shown in Canadian dollars. Please note fees are generally charged in the currency of the reservation. However, in some cases, they may also be charged in the currency of the country you're traveling to or from, and credit card exchange rates apply. If you're traveling, of course, with one of our airlines partner, the policy of the other carrier may apply. We encourage you to familiarize yourself with the fees for your journey. If you book through a travel agent, online or directly, corporate travel arranger, or another airline, please contact them directly. So service fees here as example. Okay, so we already went through that. So you can see fees for baggage, fees for booking, fees for flight cancellation example. So as example, the fees in here. So of course, for 24 hours, you'll not get any fees. You'll just get your full refund. And if it's more than that, you'll get some fees depending on your situation. So you can, as you can see, read all of that here. Can you have like a fee, cancel for fee, depending on whatever you are. And yeah, that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.